Welcome to the Bill Pay Overview tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to use this convenient and free way to pay your bills online. After you have logged in, select the Bill Pay widget icon. The Quick tab will allow you to make payments using a simple process. First, select the payee you want to pay. Next, enter the amount. Then, select the date you want the funds to be delivered to the payee. The send on date is the date the funds will be withdrawn from your account. The deliver by date is the date the funds will be delivered to the payee. Finally, complete the payment by selecting Submit Payment. The Multi-Pay tab allows you to pay multiple payees at once. Simply enter in amounts and dates for each of the payees you would like to send a payment to. Then select Submit Payments. The Classic Pay tab allows you to pay a payee and schedule future or recurring transfers. First, select the payee you want to pay. The account and category should auto-populate for you. Next, enter the amount you want to pay. Then, select the frequency of this payment and the deliver by date. If desired, enter a memo. Confirm the payment information on the right. If everything looks correct, complete the payment by selecting Submit Payment. The Schedule tab shows a calendar of all scheduled payments. You can select a day with a scheduled payment to view, edit, or cancel the payment. The History tab allows you to view and search completed payments. The Payees tab is where you can view, edit, create, or delete payees. Select a payee to view the details. To edit a payee's information, select the Settings icon. To delete a payee, select Delete Payee. To create a new payee, select the New Payee button. For more questions or information, please click the Help button in the top right or call ICCU at 1-800-456-5067.